The ILEX signatures of interest can be selected by browsing signature libraries or by searching through all or a set of signature libraries by a search keyword. One can also search signatures of drugs and chemicals by their pharmacological action, mechanism of action, or the known protein target. Each ILEX signature consists of the differential expression levels and associated p-values for all genes or proteins measured by the specific platform used to create the signature. Here I will demonstrate how to find and analyze an ILEX signature of the drug everolimus. To start, I will select Link's chemical perturbation signatures library and perform a keyword search for everolimus. The search identifies 187 Link's chemical perturbation signatures matching the word sirolimus. I will expand the results of the search and then further filter signatures by focusing on the MCF7 cell line and the concentration of 0.04 micromoles. This yields two signatures, and I will click on the ID of the second signature, which will take me to the signature landing page. The pre-computed signature landing page provides detailed information about the signature and the chemical that was used to generate the signature. It also provides several panels for further analysis of the signature.